Gayatri Miss. Welcome to your mathematics class. Children, today I will explain you multiplication facts. The first one is numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product will remain the same. Example, 8 into 7. 8 sevens are 56. And 7 into 8. 7 eights are 56. Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product will remain the same. So here 8 sevens are 56. 7 eights are 56. The product is the same. One more example. 21 into 3. 21 into 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. And 3 into 21. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product will remain the same. Here the product is 63. Here 21 threes are 63. 3 21 63. So the product is the same. Second property is when a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Example, 19 into 1. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. 91 into 1 is equal to 19. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number. Next one, 325 into 1, that equals to 325. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Third one, when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. That means 35 into 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. 35 into 0 is equal to 0. Next, 145 into 0 is equal to 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Children, now all of you open your textbooks, page number 27. Open page number 27. See example 5. Multiply 4527 by 8. Multiply 4527 by 8. 4527 into 8. 7 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds and 4 is in thousands. Now multiply this number. Start the multiplication from ones place. 8 sevens are 56. So write 6 in ones place, carry over 5 in tens place. Next multiply 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus carry over 5. 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5, 21. So 1 is in tens place, carry over 2 in hundreds place. Next, multiply hundreds place. 5 into 8, 5 8s are 40. Plus carry over 2. 40 plus 2, 42. Right? 2 in hundreds place, carry over 4. Finally, multiply thousands place. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus carry over 4. 32 plus 4, 36. So the answer is 36,216. Children, next example is multiply 3247 by 36. 3247 by 36. First multiply 3247 by ones place. Here what is the ones place? 6. So 6 sevens are 42. 2 and 4 is the carryover. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. Again 2 is the carryover. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 is carryover. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So 3247 into 6 is equal to 19,482. And step 2, multiply 3247 by tens place. What is the tens place here? 3. So 3247 into 3. 3 sevens are 21. Here keep arrow or 0. 3 sevens are 21. 2 is the carryover number. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 4 and 1 is carry over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 3 3s are 9. Now step 3. Add these two numbers. 2. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 4, 8. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 1 is carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So the answer is 1,16,892. Children, open your textbooks page number 29. All of you open your textbooks page number 29. I will explain. Check point. Write the product. See first one. 118 into 200. First multiply 118 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 6 and 1 is carry over. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And 2 1s are 2. Here children, next to the 2, how many zeros are left here? 2 zeros. So add these 2 zeros here. So the product of 118 into 200 is equal to 23,600. Next one, 111 into 5,000. 111 into 5,000. First multiply 111 into 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. And here next to the 5, how many zeros are left? 3 zeros. So add this 3 zeros. So the product of 111 into 5,000 is equal to 5,55,000. Next one, 4,321 into 300. First multiply 4,321 into 3. Always do multiplication from ones place. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. Here next to the 3, how many zeros are left? 2 zeros. So add 2 zeros. So the product of 4,321 into 300 is equal to 12,96,300. Next one, 6,258 into 200. First multiply 6,258 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 is carry over. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 is carry over. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 2s are 12. Here after the 2, how many zeros are left? 2 zeros. So add 2 zeros. The product of 6,258 into 200 is equal to 12,51,600. The product of 6,258 into 200 is equal to 12,51,600. Next one, 2,050 into 3,000. First multiply 2,050 into 3. 3 zeros, 0. 3 5s are 15. 1 is a carryover. 3 zeros, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 3 2s are 6. Here next to the 3, how many zeros are left? 3 zeros. So add 3 zeros. The product of 2,050 into 3,000 is equal to 61,50,000. 61,50,000. And all of you open your textbooks page number 28. See page number 28, checkpoint, complete the multiplication grid. Complete the multiplication grid. First multiply 23 into 5. 23 5s. 3 5s are 15. 1 is carry over. 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 23 into 5 is equal to 115. Next 56 into 5. 56 into 5. 56 into 5. 56 into 5 is equal to 6 5s are. 6 into 5, 30. 3 is the carryover. 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. So 56 into 5 is equal to 280. Next 112 into 5. 112 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 1 is carryover. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And 5 1s are 5. So 112 into 5 is equal to 560. Next 224 into 5. 224 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 2 is carryover. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Again 1 is carryover. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 224 into 5 is equal to 1120. Next 448 into 5. 5 8s are 40. 4 is the carryover. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 2 is the carryover number. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So 448 into 5 is equal to 2240. 2240. And 896 into 5. 896 into 5. 5 6 are 30. 0 3 is carryover. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. Again 4 is carryover. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. So 896 into 5 is equal to 4480. Next 23 into 20. First multiply 23 into 2. 23 2s are 46. And here how many zeros are left? 1 0. So add 1 0. So 23 into 20 is equal to 460. Next 56 into 20. First multiply 56 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 is carryover. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And add 0. So 56 into 20 is equal to 1120. Next 112 into 20. First multiply 112 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. And next to the 2, how many zeros are left? 1 0. So add 1 0. 112 into 20 is equal to 2240. Next 224 into 20. First multiply 224 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. And here how many zeros left after 2? 1 0. So add 1 0. So 224 into 20 is equal to 4480. Next 448 into 20. First multiply 448 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 4s are 8. And here how many zeros are left? 1 0. So add 1 0. So the product of 448 into 20 is equal to 8960. And 896 into 20. First multiply 896 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 is carryover. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Again 1 is carryover. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 16 plus 1, 17. And here how many zeros are left? 1 0. So add 0. The product of 896 into 20 is equal to 17,920.
Children, complete the given assignment.